want a steam cleaner and you don't want to just steam clean with water, I got you, okay? Germ freaks that want to take it up a notch, this is the orange one. It's literally the one that's always out of stock. This model has the detergent container, so you can put the solution right in here. Versatile, you can steam clean with water, but if you want to go above and beyond, you just click that on and it will steam clean with the solution. A major upgrade to this model is it can hold so much more water, which means you can clean longer. It does have this safety lock, so if you have little ones and they don't want to press this big old button, I lock. But let me show you the other magical thing. If you are cleaning those hard to reach places, you just lock that bad boy in and it's hands-free, baby. That's so cringe. It all comes with 12 different pieces. You have your measuring cup, you have your funnel, you have your long spray nozzle. It comes with this bent attachment that you can get under your toilet bowls or your window sills, with 4 different brush heads that you can attach to the long spray nozzle. They're the same, one is a little bit tougher. You can finally attack those stubborn stains in your fridge, in your stove, but if you want to go turbo mode, I highly suggest this one. The steam cleaner attachment, you can use this on your curtains and your clothes. Put on your towel sleeve if you want to get your couch, your stuffies, your bedding. Attach this piece to your steam cleaner so you can get your mirrors and your windows. Last but not least, you'll have this extension hose. You can get all those hard to reach places like in the fridge, in the microwave, behind the toilet. If you guys have been thinking about getting a steam cleaner and you see that orange shopping cart, that means it's still in stock. Hopefully it's still on major flash sale. Run and get it and you're welcome. Okay.